In today's fast-paced SaaS landscape, users expect more than just features. They expect insights. Embedded analytics lets you deliver real-time, in-app intelligence that drives smarter decisions. Here are the top 5 benefits your SaaS product can unlock with embedded analytics. 1. Deep analytical insights. Empower your users with actionable, real-time insights within your application. Transform raw data into contextual intelligence, right where decisions are made. 2. Focus on your core. Keep your engineering teams focused on what they do best, building great products. Leave the complexity of analytics, infrastructure, and scalability to a trusted BI platform like Zoho Analytics. 3. Competitive advantage. Differentiate your product by embedding intelligence directly into user workflows. Deliver smarter, faster insights that make your product indispensable for data-driven users. 4. Monetization opportunities. Turn analytics into a growth engine. Offer it as a premium add-on, create usage-based pricing tiers, or use advanced analytics features to upsell higher-value plans. 5. User retention and growth. Keep users engaged with data-driven experiences that add continuous value. Insightful, interactive, and intuitive dashboards encourage repeat usage, boost retention, and drive product stickiness. So, if you're looking to transform your product into a smarter, insight-driven platform, it's time to embrace Zoho Analytics, which makes it easy to embed customizable white-labeled BI into your product. Get started today at zoho.com/analytics.